Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best microphones for GoPro you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. If you want to capture high quality audio to go with your GoPro film, you'll need to invest in a suitable external microphone. While GoPro cameras' built-in microphones are acceptable for basic recording, they can fall short when it comes to capturing clear and precise sound in more demanding conditions. With so many microphone options on the market, it might be difficult to select the right one for your needs. We'll look at some of the best mics for GoPro cameras in this video, highlighting their features and performance to help you make an informed decision. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 4. Kiwifotos Shotgun Microphone Video Mic. This shotgun microphone is universal and ultra-compact, and it is compatible with most DSLR and mirrorless cameras, video cameras, cell phones, GoPros, DJI Osmos, audio recorders, tablets, and laptops that have a 3.5mm TRS or TRRS audio microphone interface. It runs on plug-in electricity and does not require a battery. The cardioid polar pattern of the microphone focuses on sound in front of it and attenuates sound entering from behind it, effectively filtering out background noise and isolating the speaker's voice for recording. This microphone is multifunctional and can be used for vlogging, interviews, family holiday travels, podcasting, Facebook Live, outdoor events, tutorials, and more. The kit comprises a cardioid microphone made of aluminum, a shock mount, a dead cat windscreen, a foam windscreen, a storage bag, and 2 audio cables, one for cameras and one for select cell phones, tablets, and laptops. On number 3. Camera Microphone, Comica CVM-VM10.2. Comica produces a low-cost, lightweight directional condenser microphone, CVM-VM10.2, that is appropriate for smartphones, tablets, cameras, and laptops. It has an MSRP of roughly $50 and comes with a foam windscreen for normal situations and a fur windscreen for windy conditions. It includes 2 cables, a standard 3.5mm AUX cable for cameras and mic-only AUX connections, as well as a 3-ring TRRS cable for smartphones, tablets, and current laptops. It also has a shock mount that absorbs noise caused by movement vibration. The microphone is supercardioid, which means it concentrates on what it's focused at while rejecting sound from the sides. The microphone catches up a lot of noise and provides strong levels, similar to a lav mic, but it sounds like a shotgun solution. Although not flawless, it works admirably in its price range. The Comica microphone can withstand noisy situations and give better audio than a camera's built-in mic by focusing on someone or something rather than picking up everything in a room/location at once. On number 2. EDUTIGE ETM-001. The ETM-001 is a lightweight, omnidirectional 3-pole external microphone that can capture and enhance sound in all directions. The microphone's secret power is its compatibility with GoPro Hero 2, Hero 3/3 Plus, and Hero 4 cameras, which were originally developed for PCs and digital voice recorders. To utilize it with the Hero 3/3 Plus and Hero 4, users will require a mini USB to 3.5mm microphone adapter cable or the GoPro 3.5mm mic adapter. The ETM-001 is compatible with digital voice recorders, DSLRs, and mirrorless cameras. It has an electric condenser, is omnidirectional, and has a sensitivity of -23 dB. The frequency response ranges from 50 to 18,000 Hz, with a signal-to-noise ratio of 58 dB+. The microphone includes a 3.5mm 3-pole gold-plated connector and plug-in power capabilities, so no batteries are required. It measures 9.3 by 19.8mm, without the plug, and weighs 5.9 grams, and it operates between 0 and 40 degrees Celsius. On number 1. Movo VXR10. The Movo VXR10 universal cardioid condenser microphone is a lightweight and tiny shotgun microphone that increases audio quality when used with a camera or mobile phone. The microphone comes with a shock mount, cords for connecting to a camera or phone, and a wind-resistant windscreen. While the microphone takes up some background noise, it catches natural sounds and is best used when the subject is less than 18 inches from the source. The microphone does not require a battery or power supply because it is powered by the host, and it does not need to be turned on or off. The Movo VXR10 is a low-cost alternative for increasing audio quality when filming video, making it ideal for vlogging. Overall, the Movo VXR10 is an excellent addition to anyone's gear who is looking for a simple and low-cost approach to boost audio quality when capturing movies. Pros of Movo VXR10. Compact design. Supplied with a shock mount, windshield and cables for use with phones and cameras. Great price. Cons of Movo VXR10. Subject needs to be close for the best results. So guys, this was the video about the best microphones for GoPro. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.